What's up, guys? I hope everybody's doing well out there. Before I begin this video, I don't know if you guys are aware of it or not, but there is a big typhoon coming through the Philippines here, Typhoon Odette, and it's packing a punch. Category 4. They say there's just going to be a lot of rain with this, and the thing is, it's the rain is what gets people, and the rising of the water, that's what gets people, and the winds, of course. But I'm bringing up this windy.com to show you the typhoon and the path this typhoon is taking. As you can see right now, it's sitting right there outside Dapa, the eye of the storm. Going to come through Siargao City. Now, my wife has family there in Siargao City. They've already contacted her and told her that, you know, her grandmother's roof has already blown off. Lots of rain and lots of wind. But I'm going to speed this up and show you just the path that it's taken. And it's hitting some pretty serious areas here. Right through Siargao Island, Cebu area, just making its way across. And that is Friday the 17th at 9 a.m. by the time it makes its way out of here. But yeah, it's a big storm coming through here, guys, and my thoughts and prayers are for those that are going to be in the path of this, because it is going to cause damage. When big storms like this come through, those houses that aren't, if they're not made of, you know, the ones that are made of stick, you know, like wood and just patched together, and there's a lot of homes like that, they just don't survive. And like I said, it's going to bring some destruction. So those that are in the area down there, stay safe down there. I know I have subscribers who have family members that are over here, going to be in the path of this typhoon. But everybody stay safe, and our prayers are with you. What's up, guys, and welcome to downtown Angeles City. It is Thursday evening. And man, it is happening. There are so many people just out and about. If you remember last week when I rode through this area and stuff, there was hardly anybody out. But now, there's a lot of people. We're gonna just do a little stroll around, maybe go up to the market a little bit, walk down the streets here, to show you what's going on here at night. Check this out. This is downtown here in the circle. This is like the Christmas light display they got going on through here. Hello. But it's really nice through here. And I said in the past, I've never come down through here at night to see what was going on, especially Christmas time. But here it is. Here's the circle. And before anybody asks, I am filming 1080-60, and I do have the stabilizer on. So if I'm walking and it's bouncing, it's got to be the lighting that's trying to get into the camera. So we're just gonna head down. I think we're gonna shoot over, show you the St. Nicholas Market here, what it looks like at night. All right, guys, we're heading down this street right here. Look at all the vendors. These vendors are not here during the day. I think because of the Christmas holiday, that's, you know, Christmas is in a week from now, give or take a few days. I think all these vendors are set up for that. But I've never seen it like this.
This one here is Ben, I think, Nicholas at night all the time.
It's sort of like the Apple Market has come onto the side streets here. Like Apple Market's a big market that is on a Friday. Now, I don't know if it's still going on the Fridays or if it has been closed. Somebody told me it was open. I have yet to go up and check. But this is kind of what it reminds me of. All these vendors through here. You know, to the left of us is the, what place is that? Pure Gold, right? Pure Gold. Wow, I've never seen it. I've never been up here at night, so I can't say that there's a lot going on. They are allowing, let me get past that. They are allowing I think motorbikes down through here. There's one coming up behind me. But yeah, this is cool. This is definitely cool. I love this. All the way down that street. And all the way up this street. Just the sides are just loaded. Now we're coming into Apple Market. I've walked through here during the day, but never up here at night. Very lit, very well lit. Wow. Yeah. Now that the vendors are out into the streets, but in the morning time and stuff, they have to stay back off the street because vehicles do come through here. Here comes a bike and a motorcycle. Give them an inch and they'll take it. Hello. There's a few that are closed, but most of them are open. Oh, red hot dogs. Some red hot dogs. Barbecue. Pork. Yep. Smells good. Dried fish. Dried fish. Smoked fish. Smoked fish. All right. What? Tinapa. What's tinapa? Oh, smoked fish. All right. There's some chicken. Chicken heads. Everything but the rooster crow, right? All right, guys, we are across this street now from the circle. Over there's the circle where I started my video. Now we're gonna walk. There's what? We're gonna walk down this way. This is just crazy. The only reason I know it's crazy because we had to park and walk up this way. But you don't see this during the day unless they're doing just on Christmas time. I don't know. But there's so many people, just vendors set up. You'll see. You'll see as I walk.
How are you?
Hey, hello, how are you? All right, all right. There's a bakery. Hello. There's a lot of what? Look's not mic'd up, and I'm using the Rode microphone, and it's only set on one microphone. There's some construction there. It's Christmas time in downtown Angeles City, guys. This is just cool. To me, this is cool. Just paths. Sidewalks are full. Stores are full. I think that's a cool looking shirt. Hi, kids. They were waving until I pointed the camera at them, then they ran. Even down the side street there, they're all set up. Hello, how are you? Philippines, Angeles City, Pampanga. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, I need money too. I need money too. All right. Got look behind me.
Huh?
I said I got look behind me so nobody rolls up on me.
I'm just looking for the cap.
For the what?
Looking for the
Hat. Oh, okay. We're just a rolling and a walking and a talking. I hope this video is not bouncy. Always got to try different settings. Especially at night. GoPro is not designed to do a lot of filming at night. Now, lidded areas like this, it is works okay. All right, all right. Let me jump up on the sidewalk here if I can. All right. That's some window shoppers. Window shoppers, hello. Hello, hello, all right. This is just crazy.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, you want to say hello?
Hi.
Want to say hello? What's your name?
My name is Leah. Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
What's your name, Dad?
My name, what's my channel?
Oh, yes.
Philly in the Philippines.
Oh, Billy. What?
Philly in the Philippines.
Oh, hi.
Hi, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a Merry Christmas. All right, bye-bye. All right, we're going to end our evening stroll through here. This is the quad at Nipo. Get all your outside sit down, eating places through here. It's very busy. I'm so happy to just see all the people out, enjoying being out. Oh yeah, Dente's Tea House and Cafe. Very, very full. Must be a popular place to eat. Yeah, looks a lot of people.
So Dente's down there.
Dente's down where?
Down in like Circle. He also has that in
Oh, okay. New York Supreme Pizza, Pasta, Chicken. Empty!
Is it open?
I think it's open. It's just empty. Could be closed. I don't know. Yeah, that place is packed. I don't know what time all these close through here. That's a Sam Yipsel King right there. Had some really good shawarma down here at this one place. I'll show you when I get there. Shabu shabu. Yeah, they're dragging their tables in. Looks like they're closing up. Look at Biff's. Biff's Burger, Steaks, Rib Sandwich, and French fries. 2 people in there. It's decorated really nice through here. El Spaniel, authentic Spanish cuisine. K Cafe, couple people sitting in there. Sayo Wings, unlimited. Soy Wings, unlimited. I'm sure that place is full. That place must be good. Yeah, it must be good.
Because it's low and unlimited.
Wow. Yeah, unlimited. Masarap? All right, they say it's masarap. Unlimited, that's why, yeah. And we got Gustav's Cafe.
It's like French.
Is it French
Arrows.
or Italian?
It's like Italian. Or like
The Eiffel Tower. Where's the Eiffel Tower at? France. Let's say France. I don't know. I should know, right? Binat. Hey, Binat. Is that yours there? Splash and Sizzles. Binalut restaurant. All right.
Binalot means rubbing.
Wrapping. Okay.
Yeah, you cook, it's just like the wrapping.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll tell you what. That was fun. That was cool. If you're in the area, shoot up here into the city and just check it out. Walk around. That was definitely neat to see. Like I said, I think it's the holiday, and I think that's why there was just so much going on. Because a week ago I rode through on the bike and none of that was happening. So anyways, and just right up the road, they got this big Christmas tree set up. They got kids like dancing around it, and they're playing music and stuff. I mean, it's just neat. I'm happy I wandered up this way tonight. So anyways, guys, I guess that's about it, and we'll talk to you later.